So what does that little double checkmark mean? Well, when you send text messages, you'll usually see two of them. When I send a message, there's going to be a checkmark, and then shortly after, another checkmark appears. And it usually happens super fast. These are basically little delivery checkmarks. When you first send a message, the single checkmark means the message was sent. In other words, it left your phone and reached the network or server. Then the double checkmark happens when the message lands from the server onto the recipient's phone. It doesn't mean they've read the message. It just indicates that it was delivered. The letter's been dropped into the mailbox. We just don't know yet if the recipients checked their mail. Sometimes you might see that double checkmark filled in with a solid blue color. That indicates the recipient has actually read your message. But you're not always going to see that, because whether that solid color appears or not, it depends on whether the recipient has their read receipts turned on or off. If they're turned on, you'll see that solid color checkmark. But a lot of people like to turn off their read receipts, which means you won't see that solid color, even after they've read the message. Anyways, that is what the double checkmark means on Android. Click that like button if this video helped and subscribe for more. Thanks all.